Hi guys. Hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher. And I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So why are we here today? What is the objective of this session? What we are going to learn in this session? So today we are going to discuss the sample paper finally. So now as we have only 1 month, it's time to start solving sample paper. So today we will be starting the first sample paper and now we will be continuously solving sample papers. So today we are going to solve CBSE Accounts Sample Paper 1 and we have divided this into 3 parts. Today we will discuss 1 mark question. Tomorrow we will discuss 3 or 4 mark question. And then we will discuss 6 or 8 marks question. So, I welcome you all to the channel and let me tell you, we have something amazing planned for all of you. Let's talk about future. So, stay tuned to our channel and we will be disclosing this today at 8 p.m. So stay tuned for 8 p.m. because we have planned some amazing surprise for all of you. Now, I hope that all of you have now registered for vote. सबने vote की तैयारी कर ली है and you are ready to give vote on 4th April or 11th April or 18th April. And this is compulsory. You have to vote कंपल्सरली बिकॉज ये सिर्फ एग्जाम नहीं है, ये हमारा कमबैक है एंड दिस कमबैक इज अ फ्री एग्जाम. यू कैन मेक दिस कमबैक free of cost because there will be no fees, no registration charges. And along with that, by participating in vote, you can get all India rank. You can get guaranteed scholarship from a pool of rupees 500 crore. So you guys will be getting guaranteed scholarship. And you can also win exciting prizes daily or weekly. And the most important thing, you can also get a chance to become the Vedantu CEO. Also, you can win a trip to NASA. Hi, Ujjwal. So make a comeback this year with Vedantu Online Talent Exam, which is V.O.T.E, so that you can make a comeback this year and you can win all these exciting prizes. So you can win drone, you can win watches, mobile phone, laptop, and many other exciting prizes. So don't you know how to give a vote? Don't worry, you have to go to the link that is given below in the description box. Then you have to register yourself by entering your details. So you will enter your name, grade, board and your target. Then you can easily register yourself. After that, you will get your voter ID card and the last step is to choose your voting days. On which day you want to give vote. And then it's all done. You are done with the registration. Now, are you worried about what are the complete details or you don't know about full information, you don't have the full information? Then don't worry. All the informations about V.O.T.E, the complete information is available on our website, Vedantu.in. Also, it is available on our mobile app. So you can also download our mobile app to have complete information about V.O.T.E. Now, are you worried about the exam format? That how it is going to be conducted? What will be the exam format? So let me tell you that there will be total 3 subjects. 3 subjects honge. Accounts, business studies and economics. The main 3 subjects will be there. Every subject will have 30 questions. हर सब्जेक्ट में 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो टोटल देयर विल बी 90 क्वेश्चंस. टोटल 90 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर. फॉर एवरी राइट आंसर यू विल गेट 4 marks. For every wrong answer there will be negative marking. And the most important thing, how much time will you get for this? So you will be getting total 90 minutes or 1.5 hours to attempt this exam, to attempt this paper. Now, if you don't want to play alone, if you don't want to participate alone, then you can also create your own squad with your friends. So inform your friends about V.O.T.E and play along with your friends to big gift together. So play together and enjoy all the gift together, win the gift together. So guys, if you have not registered yourself yet, then what are you waiting for? Go and register yourself now so that you can make a comeback this year with Vedantu Online Talent Exam. So this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having your mathematics session at 10 p.m. तो आराम से रात को पढ़ाई करेंगे सर के साथ and हम मैथ्स पढ़ेंगे. Now, as you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session, and if you guys are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. And if you want the notes for the upcoming session, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given below in the description box. Now, why are we here and what we are going to discuss today? So today we will be starting the main revision. आज से हमारी main परीक्षा start होती है क्योंकि आज से हम solve करेंगे sample paper. Hi Avinash, good evening. Okay Avinash, I can understand. Prepare for your pre-boards. Hi Pushkar. So आज हम लोग sample paper करने वाले हैं accounts का, और as I have told you that we have divided the sample paper into 3 parts. So today we will be discussing only 1 mark question. So as you know, there will be 20 questions of 1 mark. So today we will discuss few 1 mark question that may come in your final exam. तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के क्लास को शुरू किया जाए. So this is sample paper 1 and this is part A. So are you all ready to start solving the sample paper? Are you guys ready for sample paper? Yes or no? Tell me in the comments box quickly. Yes, Ujjwal. Hi, Harrison. So, are you guys ready for sample paper solutions or to solve sample paper? Yes, Ananya. Okay, so let's start this session now. So, first of all, you know the general instructions will be given on the first sheet of your question paper. So, please read those general instructions carefully, because in these instructions it will be mentioned that which question is compulsory to attempt and which question is optional. So you have to go through the instructions very carefully. Please don't miss them or ignore them, because इस instruction में लिखा होगा कि कौन सा question choice का है, कौन सा question important है, compulsory है. So we have to read the instructions first of all. Hi Vikrant. Now, starting with the sample question paper 2021, and here we have our first question. The पहला question जो है, it is saying that which of the following item is not dealt through P&L appropriation account. Out of these 4 items, which will not be recorded in P&L appropriation account. So as we all know, in P&L appropriation account, we record only appropriation. In P&L appropriation account, only appropriations are recorded. So first option, interest on partner loan. Is this appropriation? So no, it is not appropriation, it is charge. तो पहला ही आंसर है, हमने जैसे ही देखा कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर लोन, इज इट एप्रोप्रिएशन? सो नो, इट इज चार्ज. So you will not record this in P&L appropriation account because this is charge. Charge will be recorded in P&L account, not P&L appropriation account. And rest of the option, partner's salary, it is appropriation. Interest on partner's capital, it is appropriation. Partner's commission, it is appropriation. So B, C, D, these all are appropriation. They will be recorded in P&L appropriation account, but interest on partner loan, it is charge. So you will not record it in P&L appropriation account. Yes, Ananya, you were absolutely correct. So our answer is A, interest on partner's loan. Now coming on to the second question. So you guys have to tell me the answer of this question. Let's see who is going to answer it. For which of the following situation the old profit sharing ratio of partner is used at the time of admission of a partner? Out of the following situation, in which case you will use the old profit sharing ratio of partner? So in which of the following situation you will use the old ratio? Okay, I have one answer of Ujjwal. What about Ananya? Okay, so let's go through all the options. First option is when new partner bring his share of goodwill. When new partner bring his share of goodwill, it is distributed in sacrificing ratio, not in old ratio. Second, when new partner is not able to bring his share of goodwill. Naya partner, he is not bringing his share of goodwill in cash. Still, his share of goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. Third, when at the admission, goodwill already appear in the balance sheet. So this is existing goodwill, and existing goodwill is written off among all the partners in old ratio. So this is your answer. In the third situation, in the C, we will use the old ratio of partner so that we can write off the existing goodwill. So our answer is C. And D, when new partner bring his share of goodwill. So new partner's share of goodwill will be always distributed in sacrificing ratio. So our answer will be C, when at the time existing goodwill is appearing in the balance sheet. Coming on to the third 1 mark question. So third question in your sample paper is, reserve capital is not a part of. Reserve capital is not a part of authorized capital, subscribed capital, unsubscribed capital, issued share capital. So reserve capital is not a part of authorized capital, subscribed capital, unsubscribed capital, or issued share capital. What will be the answer, guys? Okay, Ujjwal had already answered it. Ananya, C. So yes, reserve capital, it is not a part of unsubscribed capital. Reserve capital is a part of subscribed capital. So subscribed capital is a part of issued capital, and issued capital is a part of authorized capital. So reserve capital will be part of A, B and D, but it is not a part of unsubscribed capital. So our answer is C. You both are correct. Congratulations, Ujjwal and Ananya. Hi Piyush, a very good evening. Hi Ankit. ये पेपर मेरे प्री बोर्ड में आया था, बताओ आपको पहले करना चाहिए था सैंपल पेपर, प्री बोर्ड में फुल मार्क्स आते. So now coming on to our next question, guys. So here we have our next question. Sports Star Charitable Club has income of 16,000. Income is 16,000 and deficit debited to the capital fund is 4,300. Now you have to find out the expenditure. हमें expenditure find out करना है. So how we calculate deficit? Deficit means your expenditure is more than income. Why you will have deficit? Deficit means expenditure is more than income. And the formula to calculate deficit is expenditure minus income. This is how we calculate deficit. Deficit is equal to expenditure minus income. Now deficit is given to you 4,300. Expenditure is not given and income is given 16,000. So can you find out expenditure from this formula? Yes, we can find it out. 4,300 plus 16,000 will be equal to expenditure. So you will add income to the deficit or you will add deficit to the income. So 4,300 plus 16,000, the answer will be 20,300. So what is the formula for deficit? It is expenditure minus income. From expenditure, we have to subtract income. Now in this, deficit is given and income is given. We have to find out expenditure. So we will modify the formula. We will add income to the deficit to find out expenditure. So here we have our answer. The answer is C, 20,300. This is your answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? Ananya, Ritesh, Ankit, Ujwal, is it clear? Yes, Ujwal. Okay, so coming on to our next question. Next question is, at the time of dissolution of partnership firm, journal entry for settlement of loan. अब settlement of loan बच्चे समझेंगे, many students will assume that firm is doing settlement of loan, but you have to read the question complete. You have to read the question. So at the time of dissolution, you have to pass the journal entry for settlement of loan given by firm to partner. It is given by the firm to the partner. So now it is settled. It means partner is paying money to the firm. So what will be the answer? तो यहाँ पर क्या एंट्री होगी? Firm will receive money, so bank account debit, and firm asset is decreasing, so it will credit partner's loan. So this will be the journal entry. Bank account debit to partner's loan or bank account debit to loan to partner. So is it clear to everyone? Your answer will be A, bank account debit to loan to partner. So now coming on to the next question, and this is one of my favorite question. ये एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन है लेकिन इसमें बहुत कुछ छुपा पड़ा है. So now I request you all to be very attentive because ये shares का question है, important question है. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन को करते हैं. Question is saying that a company forfeited 4,000 shares of 10 each, on which application money has been paid. So we will pass journal entry. So what will be the journal entry? Share capital account debit to share forfeiture account to calls in arrear. How many shares are forfeited? कितने shares forfeiture करें? 4,000. So 4,000 multiplied by face value 10 rupees. How much amount is received on these shares? Only application money of 3 rupees is received. Out of 10, we have received only 3 rupees. So calls in arrears will be 4,000 multiplied by 7. These are calls in arrears. Now, out of these, 2,000 shares were reissued as fully paid up. These shares are reissued. So journal entry will be bank account debit to equity share capital or to share capital. So 2,000 shares are reissued, but for how much they are reissued, it is not given. The reissue price is not given. हमें नहीं बताया कि कितने के reissue करे हैं. Then it is said that, उसके बाद बोला है 4,000 rupees 4,000 has been transferred to capital reserve. How much amount is transferred to capital reserve? 4,000. So what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve. It will be 4,000. Now, how much amount has to be transferred to capital reserve? कितनी amount capital reserve में transfer होनी चाहिए थी? Yes, Aarti, proposed dividend is contingent dividend. Proposed dividend is contingent dividend. Contingent liability, sorry. Because it may arise or it may not arise. So now, share forfeiture balance is 12,000. Share forfeiture balance is 12,000 and it is on 4,000 share. Share forfeiture is credited by 12,000 and it is related to 4,000 share. So the gain per share is 3 rupees. Gain per share is 3 rupees. And how many shares have been reissued? 2,000. So the gain on 2,000 shares are 6,000. Gain on 2,000 share is 6,000. So according to us, 6,000 is to be transferred. According to us, 6,000 should be transferred to capital reserve. कितना transfer होना चाहिए? 6,000. But you are transferring only 4,000, which means that difference 2,000 is discount. So you have given 2,000 discount. आपने कितने का discount दिया है? 2,000 का. So now the journal entry for reissue will be, the journal entry for reissue will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. 2,000 shares of rupees 10 have been issued, so it is 20,000. We have given discount of 2,000. So 20,000 shares, 20,000 rupees shares have been issued at a discount of 2,000. 20,000 वाले shares आपने 2,000 के discount पे issue करे, so you will receive 18,000. How much money is received? 18,000. So 18,000 money is received for 2,000 shares. So issue price will be 9 rupees. Issue price will be 9 rupees. Aarti, just give me 1 to 2 minutes. First, let me complete this one, then I will explain it to you. So, So this is how we will calculate the reissue price. You have to pass the journal entries. You have to pass journal entries. So tell me, is it clear to everyone? Guys, come on, tell me in the chat box, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Okay. So now I hope that it is clear to everyone. So coming to our next question now. So where we have current year dividend and tax. Aarti, you have to write it again. So coming to the next question, guys. Next question that we have is, on the basis of following data, how much final payment will be made to partner on firm dissolution? How much amount you will pay to the partner? We have to calculate it from this information. Credit balance of the capital is 50,000. So credit balance of the capital is 50,000. Share of loss is 10,000. So you will subtract loss from the capital because it is debited to the capital. So you will subtract the share of loss. Now it is said that firm liability taken over by him was 8,000. Firm liability is paid by the partner. So now it is the liability of firm to pay that to the partner. Now this 8,000 is payable to the partner because partner has paid the liability of firm. So you will add 8,000 because it is payable to the partner. So how much amount will be paid to the partner? 48,000. How much amount will be paid to the partner? 48,000. Current year tax and dividend is added to net profit. Current year tax and dividend is added to the net profit. Yes, this is correct. Previous year tax is deducted from cash generated from operation. Correct. And previous year dividend is subtracted from financing activity. Yes, you are correct, Aarti. Cause this treatment is not applicable in contingent liability rules. But you can see that we are doing this treatment in cash flow statement. So your contingent liability rules, it does not apply to your cash flow statement. It does not apply to cash flow statement. So therefore, we are following this treatment in cash flow. कोविद बाबा, ये important questions ही हैं. Sample paper, each and every single question is important. Sample paper आता ही इसलिए क्योंकि sample paper important होता है. So, how much amount is payable to the partner at the time of dissolution? 48,000. So, the answer is B, 48,000. 50,000 minus 10,000 plus 8,000. Coming to our next question. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. Arun and Vijay are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:1. The ratio is 5:1. Machinery is given in the balance sheet at 40,000. If the value of machinery in the balance sheet is undervalued by 20%, then at what value will machinery be shown in the new balance sheet? So if the machinery is undervalued by 20%, then at what value you will record it in the new balance sheet? So right now the book value is 40,000. It is undervalued by 20%, means this is 80%. So this is 80%. This 40,000 is representing 80%. From this you will calculate 100% divided by 80 multiplied by 100. So 0 to 0 cancel, 8 multiplied by 5, it will be 50000, 50,000. So your answer is 50,000. Because the machinery was undervalued by 20, so 100 minus 20, it is recorded at 80%. So 40,000 divided by 80 multiplied by 100, now it will be recorded at 50,000. The answer is D. Coming to the next question. So here we have our next question. This is from the death of the partner. There are three partners, Rex, Tex and Flex. What the names are? Rex, Tax and Flex. They are partners in a firm in the ratio of 5:3:2. This is their profit sharing ratio. As per the partnership deed, the share of deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of profit and turnover of previous year accounting basis. The profits are to be calculated on the basis of turnover, means this is sales basis method. When we calculate the share of the deceased partner in the profit, we have two methods. Do you remember that we have two methods for that? One is time basis, another is sales basis or turnover basis. So in this question, we have to apply the sales basis or turnover basis method. The formula is total profit divided by total sales multiply by sales till date of death multiply by partner's share. This is how you will calculate his share of profit in the year till the date of death. So, tax expired on 31st December 2019. He expired, one of the partner, this partner, he expired on 31st December 2019. Turnover till the date of death was 18 lakh. So sales till the date of death is 18 lakh. Their profits and turnover for the 2018 and 19 amounted to 4 lakh. So total profit is 4 lakh and total turnover, total sale is 20 lakh. And we will multiply this with his share. So his share is 3/10. His share is 3/10. So do the calculation. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. It will be 2. So 1,80,000 multiplied by 2. It will be 3,60,000. 3,60,000 multiplied by 3/10. 3,60,000 multiplied by 3/10, it will be 1,08,000. It will be 1,08,000. So in this question, what we have done, we have only applied the formula and calculation. इसमें हमने दिमाग नहीं लगाया, इसमें सिर्फ हमने formula जो था वो apply किया. Total profit for the last year divided by total sale for the last year multiplied by sales till the date of death and multiplied with his share. So what amount will be given to his executor? 1,08,000. 1,08,000. How? 4 lakh divided by 18 lakh divided by 20 lakh, not 18 lakh. 4 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiplied by 18 lakh and multiplied with the share 3 by 10. So he will get 1,08,000. Now coming on to our next question. Retirement or death of a partner will create a situation for the continuing partner which is known as, जब कोई पार्टनर रिटायर होता है या कोई पार्टनर लुढ़क जाता है, किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, so which situation will be created? It will be known as dissolution of partnership. Partnership will come to an end and the new agreement will be created. So this is known as dissolution of partnership, not dissolution of firm, because the business will be continued as it is. So it is not dissolution of firm. It is not winding up of business because business is not closed. So answer is dissolution of partnership. It is A. Next question. A, B, C. Ma'am, why aren't we doing 20% of 40,000 directly? Lavanya, I'm not getting it. Why will you do 20% of 40,000 directly? In that question, you will not do 20% because that 40,000 is not 100%. You have to find out the 100% na. You will record the asset in your balance sheet at the original value. And that 40,000 is not original value. It is only 80%. Because your stock is undervalued by 20%. So 100 वाली चीज को आपने 80 पे रिकॉर्ड किया है. So 80 is not the original value. अगर आप उसका 20% करोगे, that will be wrong. गाइड कर दो, बच्चों की दुआ लगेगी. I have guided you a lot of time. On each Saturday, we are bringing some inspirational video for you guys. So now I can only say that if you have not done most of the chapters, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप पास नहीं हो सकते, so there is still a hope. Do the important chapters, at least do the partnership book. जिन बच्चों को कुछ नहीं आता वो कैसे ना कैसे करके पार्टनरशिप वाली बुक कर लो, उसको करके भी आप लोग आराम से पास हो सकते हो. So now the next we have A, B, C are partners. C expired on 18 December 2019 and as per agreement, surviving partner A and B directed the accountant to prepare financial statement as on 18 December 2019. तीन पार्टनर थे A, B. Suspense account debit to partners capital account to seize capital account. So which account is debited? Part P&L suspense account is debited. But in this question there is a trick, there is some crisp, because इतना आसान क्वेश्चन तो बोर्ड में नहीं आएगा. तो इसमें क्या बोला है that as per the agreement, surviving partner A and B directed the accountant to prepare financial statement on 18th December. 18 December को they have closed their books and they have prepared financial statement. So now you will not debit P&L suspense account because we only debit P&L suspense account because we are not in a situation to close our books. Because we cannot close our books in between of the year, only then we will debit P&L suspense account. But in this particular question, the books have been closed. So now we will pass the journal entry P&L appropriation account debit to seize capital account. So now which account will be debited? Which account will be debited? P&L appropriation account. कौन सा account debit होगा? P&L appropriation account. So your answer will be B, P&L appropriation account. Hi, Indonesia. So answer is B. Next question. EFG are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:3:2. This is the profit sharing ratio. As per the partnership agreement, G is to get minimum amount of 80,000. You have given guarantee to G of 80,000 as his share of profits every year. We have guaranteed to G that every year you will at least receive 80,000 profit. And any deficiency on this account is to be personally borne by E. In case there is any deficiency, it will be borne by E. So now the profit for the year is 3,12,000 and you have to calculate the amount of deficiency. So total profit is 3,12,000. G will get 2 by 8. G will get 2 by 8. So 3,12,000 multiplied by 2 by 8. He is receiving 78,000. How much he is receiving? 78,000. And we have given guarantee of 80,000. So how much deficiency is there? Only 2,000. कितने की deficiency आई? 2,000 की. So this is the amount that will be borne by E. So 2,000 deficiency will be borne by E. Next question. Pick the odd one out. You have to pick up the odd one out. Rent to partner, it is charge. Manager commission, charge. Interest on partner loan, charge. Interest on partner capital, appropriation. So which one is odd in this? Interest on partner capital. So odd one out. Odd is partner's capital interest. So your answer is D. Interest on partner capital. Thank you, Anushya. Thank you so much. This means a lot. Next question. Balance sheet is given to us. 12% debentures. Previous year it was 2 lakh. Current year it is 1,60,000. Interest on debenture is paid on half-yearly basis on 30th September and 31st March every year. We will calculate the interest half-yearly, one on 30th September and one on 31st March. How much amount related to above information will be shown in financing activity? You have to find out the cash flow from financing activity. Now, first we will calculate interest. So we have to calculate the interest half yearly. For first 6 months, you will calculate interest on 2 lakh. Because in the beginning, debentures were 2 lakh. So 2 lakh multiplied by 12 upon 100 rate of interest multiplied by 6 months, it will be 12,000. Then for next 6 months, we will calculate the interest on 1,60,000 because now the debentures are redeemed and it is 1,60,000. So now for remaining 6 months, we will calculate interest on 1,60,000 for 6 months. उनसे लेके दे दे उनसे नासिर भैया से 50 या 100. So now the interest will be 9,600, I suppose. 1,60,000 multiplied by 12% multiplied by 6 by 12. Yes, it is 9,600. So interest for first 6 months is 12,000. Interest for next 6 months is 9,600. The total interest is 21,600. The total interest is 21,600. Now this total interest will be subtracted from financing activity. This total interest will be subtracted from financing activity, and the debentures are decreasing. From 2 lakh, your debentures have been decreased to 1,60,000. Earlier it was 2 lakh, now they are 1,60,000. Means 40,000 debentures have been redeemed. 40,000 debentures have been redeemed. So these two items will be recorded in cash flow from financing activity. 21,600 interest paid on debenture, then redemption of debenture. So your answer will be 61,600. The answer will be outflow 61,600. So this is your answer. Answer C, outflow 61,600. Coming to next question. बहुत easy question है. If you know the rules of accounting ratio, then it is the easiest question. What will be the current ratio if working capital is 0? What is the formula of working capital? Working capital formula is current assets minus current liability. If working capital is 0, it means that both current assets and current liability is same. अगर working capital 0 है, it means both current assets and current liability are same. So what will be current ratio? It is current assets divided by current liability. It will be 1:1. So if your working capital is 0, your current ratio will be 1:1. क्या होगी current ratio? 1:1. So answer is 1:1. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of finance cost? Finance cost we have done in the P&L, statement of P&L. So, which one of the following is not a part of finance cost? So, bank charges is not a part of finance cost. All the items related to securities, related to debentures, they are a part of finance cost. Finance cost means borrowing cost. So, bank charges, it is not a borrowing cost. Therefore, it is not a part of finance cost. So, bank charges, it is not a part of finance cost. Yes, Deepak, you are absolutely correct. You are answering all the questions correct. Keep it up, Deepak. Next question. Which of the following is not an investing cash flow? इनमें से कौन सा investing activity का part नहीं है? So purchase of marketable securities for cash. Marketable securities, no, it is not a part of investing activity. Marketable securities is a part of cash and cash equivalent. You will do the treatment at the end of cash flow statement. So this is not a part of investing activity. In investing activity, only non-current assets are considered. So this is not a part of investing activity. So answer is purchase of marketable securities, 25,000. It is not a part of cash flow from investing activity. Next question. Proposed dividend is which liability? So proposed dividend is contingent liability. Proposed dividend is contingent liability. मैम कैश फ्लो बहुत अच्छे से क्या किया, बड़ा बड़ा क्वेश्चन कर सकता हूँ. गुड, गो विथ लास्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन. The dash may indicate that the firm is experiencing stock out and loss sale. Out of the following ratio, which ratio will indicate that your stock is out or you have lost sales? So, which ratio will tell you about stock, about inventory? कौन सी ratio बताएगी? Inventory turnover ratio. So which ratio will tell you about stock, about your inventory? Inventory turnover ratio will tell you. So the answer is B. Inventory turnover ratio will indicate that the firm is experiencing stock out or lost sales. Well done, Preeti. Next question. Current ratio is 3:2. Current ratio is 3:2. It means current ratio is 3:2. It means it is 1.5:1. Current ratio. Ma'am, what actually this ratio means? If you do want to know the meaning, Deepak, then you can see the recorded session, because if I will explain it right now, it will take a lot of time, which we don't have. We have only 5 minutes more. So you can check out the recorded session of accounting ratio. In that, I have explained it in brief. Okay. So current ratio of Vidur Private Limited is 3:2, which is 1.5:1. Accountant wants to maintain it at 2:1. So accountant wants to maintain it at 2:1 means they want to increase the ratio. They want to increase the ratio. Now following options are available. Following options are available. How you calculate current ratio? The formula is current assets divided by current liability. This is how we calculate current ratio. Current assets divided by current liability. Now, first option that we have is he can repay bills payable. So, when he will repay the bill, the current asset will decrease because cash will decrease and current liability will decrease. So when both decreases, the ratio increases. When both current asset and current liability decreases, the ratio increases. So the ratio is increasing in the first case. So in the first case, he can maintain it at 2:1 because the ratio will increase. Now, the second option that is available is he can purchase goods on credit. He can purchase goods on credit. So when he will purchase goods on credit, current asset will increase because stock will increase. Credit he is purchasing, so current liability will also increase. When both are increasing, the ratio decreases. When both current asset and current liability increases, the ratio decreases. So ratio will decrease. And the next also mean the same. He can take short-term loan. So he is taking short-term loan, cash will increase, current asset will increase. Short-term loan, current liability will increase. So both are increasing means ratio is decreasing. So now which of the option is he will adopt? Which option he will adopt? He will only adopt the first option, because only then his ratio will increase from 1.5:1 to 2.2:1. So only one is correct. Only A is correct. So your answer is only A is correct. Only one is correct. So your answer is A. Because second and third, the ratio is decreasing in those options. So now we have completed our 1 mark question. In next session, we will be continuing this sample paper in which we will be discussing 3 and 4 marks question. So now stay tuned for the next session, guys. I hope that this session was helpful for you and it has helped you. So, do you want to go further with best grades? Do you want to score good marks in your boards exam? Then what are you waiting for? Go and take your Pro subscription right now, because in this you will be getting all these amazing benefits. You will be getting more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. So you can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects, whether it is accounts, maths, economics, or business studies. Along with that, we are providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you, and they will be continuously working on your weakness so that you can easily score good marks. Also, we will be providing you assignments regularly, and we will be conducting test series for you regularly containing thousands of questions. And all these classes will be conducted in English only. All these sessions will be conducted in English only. So, the actual price for 2021 Pro subscription is 1500. If you will take this Pro subscription right now, you have to pay only 1500 for 1 month. And on that also, we are providing you 10% discount. So after discount, you have to only pay 1350. COVID Baba, पूछिए क्या पूछना है? So you have to pay only 1350 for all these subjects. So that is not expensive future experiment. You are paying 1350 for 4 subjects, which means 337 for only 1 subject. And I think that no one will provide you 1 subject at this cost. So if you want to take this Pro subscription and you want to enjoy all these benefits, then go and take your Pro subscription at flat 10% discount by using my promo code SC Pro. This will help you to avail Pro subscription at 10% discount. Now, for upcoming session and notes, you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is given in the description box below. And if you are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching my face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and you share this along with your friends. Now see you all tomorrow with one another session, and till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Thank you everyone for watching this session. If you really like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and like this video. Bye everyone. See you all in the next class.